Okay, this time I want to walk through some real-world examples of how the mini-freeze might be integrated into a standard presentation setup using one of our ordinary switchers we find on one of these shows. I'm going to call it a PresPro. We'll have the mini-freeze hooked up to the primary output of the PresPro going into the projector, and on the second output we'll hook it up to an LCD monitor to offer us a preview that this switcher normally doesn't have. So now we're looking at both screens, with the main screen on the left, and actually the main screen is on the right and the preview screen is on the left. So here, if we go down and look at our switcher, we'll see that we have a preview monitor set up on top, and I'll push in, we have Graphics 2, a DVD, and Graphics 1, and the typical setup. So here we're looking at the Graphics 2 output. As you can see, that's being displayed on the preview monitor, and it's also on the main screen, which is the preview. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to freeze the main screen image, and from here I can go to the, say, Graphics 1 to pull up a web application. And you'll notice in the preview screen, you can see the web application is the same as this preview here, right? And the main screen is on the right. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to unfreeze the main screen. And so that'll just go over to the web application. So you know, if you need to pull up a particular page or a YouTube video or anything like that, you can always freeze that screen. Now, say from here, I might want to cue a DVD. So I'll look over into the preview monitor and I'll switch the Folsom to the DVD, and we see that we've got, I think, X-Men queued up here. So I'll play that. You'll see that's going to play on the preview screen, but it's not playing on the main screen. And I don't know, it should come up here and start in a second, and there we get our opening screen, unfreeze, and there you go. We have, so we're using the mini-freeze as a preview monitor for our PresPro switcher. And then I can just freeze this, and if I want to pull the web application back up, I'll go to that, and you can see that the main screen is frozen, web application is up now. If we want to go to maybe another website, we'll see what we want to go to. I don't know, mail or something, or whatever our home page is. Google, search for something, and you can see that's also here in the preview. The main screen is still frozen on the DVD, and then I'll release that freeze, and there we have our web app up.